What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know exactly when I'm posting. Today we're checking out a Humvee gauge kit from a company called SPEEDHUT. So SPEEDHUT is known for their extremely high quality gauges for all automotive applications, and their gauges are proudly manufactured in the USA. So I've actually known about SPEEDHUT for a long time now. I know about their really great reputation for making some high quality products, especially for the racing and performance automotive industry. Some of you guys might know from the channel, I have a 1973 Datsun 240Z project. It's kind of on the back burner right now, but I've been working on it for a couple years. I've really wanted to put the SPEEDHUT gauges in that car, and that's kind of how I originally found out about SPEEDHUT. Is a couple of my friends had SPEEDHUT gauges in their Datsuns, and they're just really awesome. They look really nice, and they're really high quality. And when I found out that they were making Humvee gauges, I knew that they were going to be up to the same standards that they were making all their other gauges, and I just had to get my hands on the set. The CEO of SPEEDHUT, his name is Aaron. He actually owns a Humvee, and he specifically wanted his team at SPEEDHUT to build gauges that would bring the instrument panel of the Humvee up to par, yet still retain the retro and rugged military look, and he knew other Humvee owners would appreciate the work and details that have gone into them. So if you're looking to find these gauges, I included the link in the description of this video. This kit right here comes with all 5 gauges that you'll need in your Humvee. It comes with a GPS speedometer, a water temp gauge, a voltage gauge that reads 18 to 36 volts, a oil temperature gauge, and a fuel level gauge. It also includes a new dash panel that'll rearrange the gauge locations that make them easier to see. So when wiring this gauge kit, no additional sensors are required. All the gauges plug directly into the factory connections behind the dash, and each gauge is LED lit. It's powered by either 12 or 24 volts, which you could choose an option for, and all their gauges are easy to read, highly accurate, and extremely dependable. Alright, this is really exciting. I want to show you guys the speedometer right here. So it has a little button on it, and every time you press it, it changes the option on the little screen right there. So it could show you your peak speed, a 0 to 60 time, a quarter mile time, how many miles you're on this trip, how many total miles you have, your direction, and it also has a little clock on there. It's so cool. So initially, when I was first looking at these gauges, I had a couple questions. One of the first questions was, I was curious how the wiring would go, and I was wondering if all the wiring would just connect right up or if I would have to modify things. So to answer that, all the wiring on these gauges is super easy. It has really nice male and female connectors that are on the back of these gauges that connect right up to the male and female waterproof, the military connectors in the back of the Humvee dash. So everything fit right up. There was 3 wires that I had to splice into using splice connectors that they included into the kit, and I believe those are for the left and right turn signals, just so that you could have the turn signal lights on the actual gauge itself, which is really nice and convenient. The next question I had was, if I had the choice, could I put these gauges right into the original military gauge bezel for the Humvee? And to answer that is also yes, they all fit. These gauges have the same diameter as the original Humvee gauges. The only thing you have to do is you have to do a little bit of cutting on the back of the original Humvee gauge cluster, and it's just a little 2 plastic strips that you need to kind of grind down and just clearance. But other than that, it's super easy. I think the whole install took me 20 minutes for all the wiring, and maybe a little bit just to mess around with the original Humvee gauge bezel. But if you're using their gauge bezel that they include on here, it's super easy. It'd probably take you 20-30 minutes to do. Alright, so these are the gauges installed into the original Humvee gauge bezel. Please excuse the mess of wiring in the back. I have installed this 3 or 4 times already, and I have all the wires labeled. But right here is all the areas I had to cut out. It was just the little edge, just so you could screw the gauges down tightly and hold them secure. But it was super simple. And if you like this look better than the other look, you could go ahead and install them like this. So these gauges are really simple to wire up. They come with really clear and straightforward instructions, and they all pretty much wire directly to the original wiring for the Humvee. So the voltmeter would connect straight up to the original voltmeter wiring and all that. It's really simple, straightforward, and took me probably 20-30 minutes to install. Alright, now let's go ahead and install the gauges. Before we start, we're going to first disconnect the battery to prevent any damage to the system. So now actually getting to the install, we're first going to feed the 3 wires coming from the back side of the speedometer gauge through the dash around to the left side of the steering wheel. They need to come out under the dash to the left side of the steering wheel, and we'll get to those in just a second. So after we get those, we're going to go ahead and start plugging in all the appropriate connectors from each gauge to the correct connector on the Humvee harness. If you just follow the clear directions included with the gauges, it'll tell you where each wire needs to go and plug into. Another easy thing is the Humvee harness. All the wires on the harness are labeled, which makes everything super simple. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and connect up the wires that we fed to the back of the dash. First off, we're going to have the green and red wire. That is going to splice into 460B. And then we're going to have the green and orange wire, which splices into 461B. Both those wires go to the turn signal switch. The third wire we have is the red wire. It just connects up to your constant 12 and 24 volt wire source. So the one I use is the one that connects up to the back of my key start switch. Now that all the gauges are installed and everything is all hooked up, we could sit back and enjoy looking at these badass gauges every time we drive. Alright everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out these gauges. The link is down in the description, so you can go ahead and click that and check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Over and out.